Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's video, we are going to see Banarasi semi-cotton sarees. Very pretty Banarasi border sarees with beautiful digital prints and floral patterns. I'm going to show you 30 to 35 sarees today. We have close to 50 plus unique designs and multiple pieces available in each of the designs that I'm going to show you today. Let's get started. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are cotton mix sarees with Banarasi borders and antique golden zari. These sarees carry digital print, lightweight, very easy to drape. These sarees will be slightly transparent, but when you pleat it up, it will look just like the one that I'm wearing today. These sarees are easy to maintain as well. All these sarees can be carefully hand washed at home. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available in the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. We undertake custom tailoring, fallen edging and embroidery. We release new collection every day at 10:45 a.m. at prashantisarees.in. A small snippet of the collection that's been uploaded is available as a video in our YouTube channel. To get updated on our new arrivals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or sign up with our newsletter. The first one for today, it's a beautiful navy blue with teal combination, short and long Banarasi borders on either sides, with the entire body having very pretty floral prints running throughout the entire sari. This has got a printed pallu in teal, that's the pallu, and a contrast teal blouse. Priced at 1,050. This one is a very pretty maroon single color with antique zari woven borders, short and long on either sides. The body has got beautiful prints in beige running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in maroon, priced at 1,050. This one is off-white and mehendi green, a lovely color combination with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides. Beautiful floral prints running throughout the sari with the printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in mehendi green, priced at 1,050. Mango yellow and tomato red, bright and beautiful color with short and long borders in antique golden zari on either side. Small paisley buttas running throughout the sari with the printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in red, priced at 1,050. White and blue, one more beautiful color with short and long borders in antique golden zari. The body has got very pretty florals and butterflies printed throughout the sari with the printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in blue, priced at 1,050. This one is bottle green, a lovely color with antique zari woven borders on both sides. The body has got beautiful floral prints running throughout the sari with the same prints along the pallu as well, and this has got a printed blouse in green, priced at 1,050. Pink and grey, one more lovely color with contrast borders, short and long on either sides. Zigzag prints running throughout the sari with the printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in grey, priced at 1,050. This one is black and red with multicolor border towards the bottom part, simple border in contrast to the body color in red, antique golden zari weaving along the top part of the sari. The body has got all over floral prints with a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in red, priced at 1,050. Coffee brown and navy blue, a lovely color combination with short and long Banarasi borders in antique golden zari on both sides. The body has got beautiful peacock feather prints running throughout the sari with the printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in navy blue, priced at 1,050. Peach and teal green, a lovely color with Banarasi borders on either sides. The body has got beautiful floral prints running throughout the sari with the same print along the pallu as well. And this has got a contrast plain blouse in peacock green, priced at 1050. White and pink, lovely color with antique zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got all over floral prints running throughout the sari with a beautifully printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast plain blouse in pink, priced at 1050. Mehendi green, a lovely color with short antique zari woven borders on either sides. The middle portion of the sari has got beautiful antique zari weaving with both the ends having all over prints. That's the pallu, printed pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in mehendi green, priced at 1050. Maroon, beautiful color, single color sari with short and long borders on both sides. The body has got very pretty all over floral prints with the same prints along the pallu as well. And this has got a printed blouse in maroon, priced at 1050. Mustard and grey, short and long Banarasi borders in grey on either sides with the body having all over prints running throughout the sari. This has got a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast blouse in grey, priced at 1050. Off-white and magenta, a very pleasant and beautiful color combination with short and long borders in Banarasi style on either side. Floral prints running throughout the sari, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in magenta, priced at 1050. Dark green and teal, a very different and unique color combination with Banarasi borders in teal on either sides. The body has got all over floral prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in teal, priced at 1050. Pastel blue with Banarasi borders in antique golden zari on both sides. The body has got all over prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in pastel blue, priced at 1050. Coffee brown and red with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides. The entire body has got very pretty floral prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in red, priced at 1050. Off-white and elephant grey, a lovely color with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides. The body has got beautiful floral buttas running throughout the sari with the printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast plain blouse, priced at 1050. Maroon and green, traditional color combination with short and long Banarasi borders. The body has got all over floral prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in green, priced at 1050. Navy blue, single color, very pretty Banarasi borders, short and long on both sides with floral prints running across the body. That's the pallu, printed pallu in floral pattern, and this has got a printed blouse in navy blue, priced at 1050. Beige and rust color, Banarasi borders in antique golden zari on both sides with the body having all over floral prints. This has got a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a rust color blouse, priced at 1050. Pastel green and red, a lovely color with short and long Banarasi borders. The body has got all over floral prints with a very pretty printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in red, priced at 1050. Black, an ever elegant color with antique zari woven borders. The body has got all over floral prints with a printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a subtly printed blouse in black, priced at 1050. Peachish pink, beautiful sari with ikat prints running throughout the entire body. Short and long Banarasi borders on either sides with a printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a geometric printed blouse in tomato red, priced at 1050. A very pretty green with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides, all over prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse in dark green, priced at 1050. Peach and orange, bright color with Banarasi borders on either side, all over floral prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a zigzag self printed blouse in orange, priced at 1050. Grey and peachish pink, one more unique color combination with Banarasi borders on either sides. The body has got very pretty floral prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse in peachish pink, priced at 1050. Coffee brown, a very pretty color with Banarasi borders on either sides, all over floral prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a self printed blouse in coffee brown, priced at 1050. Black and red, beautiful sari with short and long borders on both sides. The body has got all over prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse in red, priced at 1050. The last one for today, beige with rustic red Banarasi borders with all over floral prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast plain blouse, priced at 1050. All the saris that I have shown you today are available in our website. We have much more unique designs that are uploaded. We have multiple pieces available in each of the saris that I had shown you today. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. If you wish to buy these saris, you can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.